Yo, so today we're going to be working on an outfit from scratch. We're going to sew it, we're going to print it, we're going to style it, and then we're going to reveal it. So I suggest you like, subscribe, all that right now, because this is going to be the most amazing 5 to 6 minutes of your life. I mean, you're not going to have any energy afterwards. Trust me, doing that. What are you waiting for? Do it right now. Let's go. So as far as inspiration, most of the items that I make are inspired by a pair of sneakers or something that a customer or client sends me. But this is actually the first original unfiltered passion design that I created, because what got me through the pandemic was actually learning how to make patterns and sew my own items myself. No sweatshops here, no stuff coming from Alibaba, Pakistan, wherever. Everything is 100% made with these hands right here in the USA. And this is the first design that I actually am making. So, yo, come on, let's check it out.
Yo, so here's the sketchbook. Oh, come on, let's check out this design. We're gonna call this design, I call it the splatter print. We're just trying to go for a design that's spanned over the front and back panels. There are 2 panels in the front, 2 panels in the back, and so I had to work the design out in a way that when the pattern was cut out, that it looked almost seamless, you know, going over the seam. So all right, now here are all the pieces that's going to make up the shorts. I had the design sent to a Fabric on Demand service, and they came back in one big roll, and I actually already cut it out, as you can see here, and I'm getting ready to pin it together and getting ready to sew up the center seams and the side seams and put the pockets on to make the shorts. All right, so now I'm working on the waistband, specifically using the buttonhole attachment to get ready to create the holes for the strings, and use the buttonhole attachment. It's going to basically reinforce the area where we're going to cut and create the holes, so that when you're pulling your strings, that, you know, the area won't fall apart. So yo, it's coming together. All right, shorts are almost complete. We got the front and the back of the shorts together. We got the waistband ready. We got the elastic in the waistband. We got the holes ready for the string. So all we have to do now is attach the waistband to the shorts. And I'm using my industrial serger to make sure everything is right and tight and ready to go. All right, check out your work. Check it out. All right, a little seated, little try on, little seated fit. Yo. All right, take it over to the iron. One of the first rules of sewing and creating clothes is that when you sew a seam, you press a seam. You want to press your seams. Just gives it a much more polished and professional look. All right, here we go. There's the shorts. Check it out. It's the front of the shorts. And here's the back. Here's the back of the shorts. Wait, where you going? We're not done yet. That was just the shorts. We still got to do a shirt. We need a top to wear with it, right? So yo, it's time to set that up. So we're going to do a front and the back print, and here's the back print. And here's the front print. All right, now, so here we go. The big reveal from head to toe. Matter of fact, sorry, from toe to head. Here's a look at the back. All right, here's a look at the front. You didn't think that was it, did you? Shit. I got you. Now, these are the Balenciaga Triple S's, and if you are in the market for them, they are heavy. I wore them for about an hour, and my legs definitely were not happy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, all that. Out!